Hi guys, Ryan here from IND. Today we are installing the new BBS CIR Ultimate on our G80 M3. This is the newest product line from BBS, Germany. It's kind of unique into anything they've ever offered before. The nice thing about it is they have multiple widths and you can kind of tailor it to your own vehicle depending on which adapter size spacer you're going to go with. So the particular set of wheels come in multiple finishes, and you can adapt it to your own lifestyle as far as what fitment you want. If you want a more conservative fitment or a lot more aggressive fitment, depending on what your looks are going after. They have an adapter for each wheel set, depending on what width you choose and what offset you want to finalize to. The adapter is going to bolt directly to the wheel hub here. Factory wheel spec torque, 102 foot-pounds. There's going to be a hub ring inside of there, and then the wheel is fit directly to that hub. Alright guys, so on our G80 we are going with a 19 by 10 front and 20 by 11 rear stagger setup, similar to the factory setup from BMW, but obviously a little bit more aggressive offsets. Most people probably wouldn't go this aggressive on their street car, but we're just kind of showing you the possibilities you can do with this new setup. On this particular setup, we're doing a 26mm front spacer or adapter that's going to mate to the wheel. I'll show you here in a little bit how this is all put together, but there's a hub-centric ring that goes between the adapter and the hub, and there's also going to be another hub-centric ring that goes between the adapter and the center bore of the wheel here. So this is going to go and pop into here, and then now that wheel is ready to install onto the hub. So the adapter screws to the hub with the same bolt pattern and thread pitch that your factory car comes with. So on the G80's new chassis BMWs is all 5x112. The wheels from BBS all have their own unique bolt pattern. So their adapter adapts to that, and they come with these neat triple square wheel bolts. They come with a nice key and everything for it. So it's like your own set of wheel lock with every wheel on here. So these are going to bolt on to the adapter, and then we'll torque those down once we get the car back on the ground. Alright guys, so here's a breakdown of the new adapters for the CIR Ultimates. You got this side here where the hub-centric spacer centric ring goes in here. The adapter here is going to bolt to the hub as if you were putting a normal spacer on, but instead bolts directly to the hub there using the BBS supplied bolts. These are 17mm hex head, so standard OEM bolt size. All right, now that we get the adapter bolted to the hub, we're going to torque it down to the factory wheel specs. Lug torque should be 103 foot-pounds. Make sure you have your parking brake on. If you're in the front, you probably have to have somebody press on the brake, otherwise the brake is just going to spin. Always doing a start pattern so it torques it evenly. All right, now we're ready to put the wheel onto the car. Now the adapter's on, make sure to put the hub-centric ring inside the wheel. So keep that centered onto the adapter. From there, you're just gonna line it up, bolts it on like putting your wheel back on. All right, so we're gonna use our wheel hanger pins from Future Classic on these. These particular adapters use a 14 by 1.5 pitch thread. This is a little bit different than the factory one. It's a typical Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche thread pitch. Just help guide the wheel onto the adapter here. All right guys, finishing up the install of the CIR Ultimate on our G80 M3. Just about to torque the wheels down. Now we got the car down on the ground. We'll put the torque at 103 foot-pounds. All right, now we got the finishing touch. Put our center caps on. We optioned these with the matching Indigo Blue BBS 56mm center caps. Line it up with the valve stem hole there. These wheels, we went the optional Indigo Blue finish for this car against some Brooklyn Gray. We thought it looked pretty good. Their two standard finishes are Platinum Gray and Satin Black. And then optional, they've got a Satin Gold, White Gold, and then a Diamond Black, Indigo Blue, and then the one up from that is their Polished Ceramic, which is a high polish, kind of like a chrome looking wheel. Yeah, if you like these are available now. Comment below, hit up our sales team at IND Distribution on our social media, Instagram. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.